Guys, see this. By just shoot 2 videos by playing games, and with each video I'm getting $99. Is it possible? By just playing games. Okay, and not even playing games, you can also earn money by just promoting your blogs. You can see this: £100, £630, £1,400, and you are getting paid for that. Watch this video till the end and I'll show you step by step how you yourself can earn this much amount of money. Hello guys, what's up? And in this video I'm going to show you how you can earn money online by just playing some small games. Guys, we all are familiar with games and we all are spending our times with video games and all. Okay, but the main question is, if we are playing games, does it provide us anything? Or we can say that, does it provide us money while we are playing the games? Yes guys, in this video I'm going to show you guys how to earn money by just playing games, how to test games, okay, how to do the testing part and all, okay, and how to earn money on this platform. Okay, so you just need to come up here guys and just click on this tester, become a tester. And what you need to do guys is to first put your email address. Okay, first put your email address. Okay, before we doing the registration guys, this is one way of earning. Okay, another way of earning I'll just show you. I've already shown you how to create a blogspot. Okay, blogspot in blogger.com. Okay, how to create your own blogs, free blogs. And now I'll show you how you can promote your blogs. Okay, so just stay intact with this video and I'll show you step by step how you yourself can earn good amount of money with this. So in the email section guys, you just need to give your email address. Okay, so I just quickly gave my email address. Okay, and I just need to give my full name. Okay, and guys, what are the games that you are playing? Whatever game guys, whether it is PUBG. Okay, let's see. Yes guys, PUBG is also doing the testing part on this website. Okay, whether it is of Call of Duty. Okay, whatever games you are having guys, whatever games you are having, you are compatible with, you can type. So these are the 2 potential games that I weekly play. So everyone else are also playing these kind of games. You can select your own favorite games. Make sure that you have they are in this suggestions. Okay, so guys, now we need to select our devices. So guys, whatever devices you are having, whether it is of iPhone, and whatever iPhone you are having, you can select. And guys, in Android, whatever type of mobile you are having, okay, I'm having Edge. Okay, so I can select my particular mobile type. Others, you can select computer with microphone, laptop with microphone, and lots of devices that you can select over this website. Okay, you can understand this thing. Which country you live in guys, whatever country you are living in, it doesn't matter at all. Okay, just need to select this mail, and guys, just give your date of birth. Okay, I just quickly gave the date of birth. Okay, I just quickly gave it. Okay, and done. Okay, I want to receive monthly and payout. You can set up this. Okay, and just click on this guys, start testing. Okay, and guys, within few seconds it will show you on your mail ID that you are compatible. Okay, and they will provide you as a list that what are the games and what you need to do. As I've come up in this pricing part, okay, just see the pricing part and you can see this guys, based upon what you need to do. Okay, you can see this 2 videos included, $99 per video guys. From one video you are getting $99. And guys, make sure that whatever videos that you shoot, okay, you just create a video of whatever you are playing guys. Okay, and you need to submit it. Okay, so one day it will take to do the appropriate we can say that appropriate suggestions okay, validations of your mail ID and all. It will take at least 1 day, and then guys, approximately 1 to 2 days you are getting game suggestions that what these are the new games, and will notify you shortly what are the games that you need to play and started earning money. Okay, so this is one platform where you can potentially make money by just playing games. Another website is this Onsite, guys, where guys people are asking me a question that, sir, we have created a blogs, but it will take lot and lots of time to generate traffic. Okay, so guys, you can even promote others product over your blog as well. Okay, so this is my blogspot, guys. You can see this is my blogspot. I have written various kind of blogs, and I have already shown you how to create a blogs. If you have not watched my videos, I just do recommend you to watch it. Just go and watch it. Okay, so what you can do, guys, is to just click on this join on site, and guys, just join it as a freelancer and give your name. Okay, just give your name. Okay, and just give your mail ID and your website. And in the website, guys, what you need to select is this blogs. Okay, your blogger ID that you need to give. Just copy this and just paste it here. Okay, if you are having a Twitter account, you can give it and just click on this submit button, and that's it, guys. That's it. Okay, you can see submit application will be emailed as an invite code. Normally it will take 48 hours. Okay, so they will do the whole validation part, and guys, within 48 hours they will generate you small products that you can put, and you are started earning in pounds. You can select your commission, guys. Minimum commission is 100 euros pounds. We can say that 100 pounds, 600 and 300 pounds, 1400 pounds, guys. Typically 20% commission you will get. Okay, so top leading brands are partner of this website, and you will also getting started earning money by just doing small work. Okay, I hope you like this video, guys. Till then, happy earning.